Hey guys, this is the Diamond Knight here, and today we are doing another video. So today we are gonna be playing a weird game. My friends have recommended this game to me, so I decided to check it out and share it out with, or record my gameplay with you guys. So let's check it out. So this game is called Mew Mew Cat Trolley. So it's made by D3 Publisher. I'm not a sponsor. Okay, so it's gonna slow down my iPod. Does it matter? Okay, let's play. Let's try it out. What the? Avoid obstacles and keep going. If you fall into a pit, it's game over. Tap screen to jump. Okay. Yay, okay, so we're just collecting cats, basically. Ooh, okay, I have to get jewels. This is the end of the tutorials. You can see the same information on the help page as well. Okay. So, yeah, thank you for, oops, oh no, I lost cats. Aww. Okay. Aw, poor kitties. Okay, I'm gonna retry. So, sorry for not uploading in a while. Okay, I did not mean to do that. Okay. Let's go. Bring it. Ooh, this game is kind of fun. Uh-oh. Nah, and I die. I think that was my best record. No, that was not. What? I don't get... Okay. Yay. Na, 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 na. What? I don't get that part. Oh my god, whoa. What was that? Okay, I want to retry. Let's retry. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I died. That's okay. I'm recording. Okay, so, yeah, okay, let's retry again. Ooh, we're in a new place. Oh, that was close. Okay, so I can double jump in this game. Okay, I didn't know that before. Yay. Oh my god. Whoa, did you see that, guys? Woo, okay, I'm on a roll, guys. Huh, huh, huh. Look at this. Boom. Oh, that's okay. Okay, that was definitely a new record. So yeah, I don't know, check out this weird game, Mew Mew Cat Simulator, and I'm not sure I recommend this game. It's kind of weird. So, yeah. Oh yeah, we have 3 cats again. Yeah, so I'm assuming you can't get any more than 3 cats. Try and get the same record as we did last time. Oh no. Yes, 4 cats. I think that's the max. Oh no! No! No, did you see the poor guys? Aww. Okay, so I think that is it for this gameplay. And, yeah. Please drop a like on this video and subscribe. It would really help out my channel. And, yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!